Hi everyone! Today we're going to tackle one of the trickiest English words to pronounce, Worcestershire. First, let's break it down. The word Worcestershire is pronounced as Worcestershire. Yes, it looks nothing like it sounds. Now, here's the tricky part. The first part, walk, is pronounced was. The R and E in walk are silent. Next, we have CS, which is simply pronounced as ter. And finally, shire is pronounced sheer or sometimes sheer, depending on the accent. A common mistake is trying to pronounce every letter. But remember, English loves silent letters, so less is more. So there you have it. Worcestershire is pronounced Worcestershire. Now you can confidently order your Worcestershire sauce without hesitation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation tips. Bye.